I know it's a big statement to say that the clouds are cooling the sun down, so you can look at it like this. But, normally you can't look at the sun like this because it'll just burn your eyes. So that's why I think the sun it's like right there on the other side of the clouds. And if you check my other videos on samples of how to or how light works with a flashlight, I use the flashlight as an example for the sun to show how if you have a flashlight away from the wall and at a distance that the light on the flashlight is big, and once it's closer to the wall it's a narrow beam. And I know it's hard to understand for some folks right now, but if you stick with me and watch my other videos and see how the clouds cool the sun down, I mean it's like right there. The clouds are cooling the sun down, so you can look at it like this. I mean, you got a hot spot around the clouds, and that's because the sun is burning the water vapor off the clouds, and it's causing the clouds to turn like a hot blue and hot white, hot yellow. I mean, I can see it. It's even better in person. I got some sunglasses on. It's, some polarized sunglasses, which allowed me to look at the sun a little bit better. But I don't recommend that you look directly at the sun because you can burn your eyes. But if you strategically place the camera in front of your eyes and got some shades on, I mean, you'll be okay. But don't look at it too long. You can still burn your eyes. The sun's a lot closer than what we were taught, though. And I'm hoping I'm helping someone understand this. And you walk away with learning something from this video here. I want to thank you for watching. I want to thank all the people that are trying to get this word out. I try to make my videos pretty short and to the point and talk about, what you should be learning from these videos. And sometimes I put in a little joke like what happened to me at the dentist's office last week when the dentist told me that he was going to take some cadaver bone matter, radiate it, and put it in my mouth after he's extracts a tooth out of my mouth that I have to have extracted. And so when he puts that cadaver bone matter in my mouth, he's gonna, it's gonna be formed, molded, and properly fitted into my mouth where the old tooth is coming out. Now, when he's explaining all that to me, it's I'm okay with the guy drilling out the teeth and yanking on my jaw until it's real sore and getting maybe 5 needles in my mouth. Just the one thing I don't like is for lack of a better word, the dead body bone matter in my mouth. It's just gross. And the doctor was so nonchalant when he told me about it. It's as if I'm having this procedure done every day of my life, when that's not the case. I just got that one bad tooth. And I'm telling you this story because it's like the globe Earth model. The Earth is being formed and like a little spitball into a ball, and the world is not a ball. And the reason why I say that is is because the sun is not 92 million miles away. It's I don't know how else to explain this to people, but I'm trying to tell you that sun right there is not 92 million miles away. I don't think a phone that I can get from, Best Buy or, Walmart or the dollar store for that matter, that it can see 92 million miles. It can't. It just can't. So, anyway, I'm going to go ahead and sign off now. I want to thank you guys for watching, and get out there and do your own experiments. The sun is not 92 million miles away. It's right there causing the hot spots on the clouds. Now, I want to just ask you, are those clouds 92 million miles away? Because those clouds are affecting the sun. And is that a face up there in the clouds? I mean, every time I do this, there's always some sort of face that I see in the background. Or some sort of animal. The clouds just make all sorts of, that looks like a face looking back at me here. But then again, it's just clouds getting burnt by the sun. That's all it is to me. Well, I got to go get something to eat, and I got to go to Walmart, get a shoe shine, and shine my boots up for work. Let's get out of here.